बिंग बो तन सस्ते न से तार चिपक गई छाती से पामसी माम बिंग बिंग बो तन सस्ते न से तन तार है ढीली कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे.
So hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel Informatica Hub. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically yaar, I thought to take a Q&A video in this channel, in this video. So basically many of you might be waiting for few of the answers that you have put it in my comment, and yes, I never try to skip any of the important question. If it is skipped, it's because I missed it. So if you think that your question was missed in this video will be related to IT college and more. So if you think that I missed your question, or if you think that anything you want to hear from me, do put up in a comment box so that I can take those all comments in my next Q&A video. So let's start the video, and it will be relatively based on service IT industry and colleges and all. So if you're interested in this video, do watch this video till end. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. I'm an IT guy. I make videos regarding IT companies and more. So yes, let's start the video because बहुत लंबा समय बकवास कर चुका हूँ मैं. So पहली क्वेश्चन है, what is the package in Society General? This has been asked by SK 2 days before. So basically SK, I would like to tell you that the package that is offered by Society General is depending upon the tier of college. Basically for few tier of college they are providing 5, 6, 7 LPA kind of stuff. For the other tier of college they are giving 13 LPA plus bonuses, that is around 15 LPA. As a fresher I am talking about. And for experience it will be totally depending upon how you negotiate, what is your current package, what is your expected package, and how much offer letter you are holding. It will be depending upon all those scenarios. But yes, if I am talking about for fresher, it's like that what I mentioned. Now next question is from Half. Okay, when Wipro will be conducting on campus 2023 for BE student. So Pratik, if you are asking regarding Wipro, mostly on campus drive have started, and if it has been not started, it will be very soon starting their on campus drive, maybe in November, December, January. Because of some delay they have, because of some what you can see market scenario, it's been delayed this time. But yes, they will be surely, if they have not visited yet, and they on the regular basis, if they visit your college, they will be visiting in next 2-3 months. So keep the hope, cross your fingers, they will be surely visiting as soon as possible. Next question is bro from Mindtree versus Cognizant. Okay, people are asking that why Mindtree have fired 70% of students in training this year. So basically what happened, I have given the analysis, 2-3 analysis on this. This year Mindtree has been completely acquired by L&T. Actually it was earlier the subsidiaries of L&T, but that might be the reason. Because of complete acquisition, L&T have planned some other restructuring of their candidate and employees. So because of that they are firing. Other thing, as per their expectation, they might not have got the project. Because of that they don't need the workforce now as required. So these two may be the reason why Mindtree have fired the candidate during the trainings. Actually they fire, but not in such a mass number that 90-95% of the students are getting fired. Why exactly, people don't know. Maybe because of the market scenarios, the project expectation and versus reality, these may be the cases. So I would suggest you do as give your best, give as do as much as possible in your training. That will be definitely helping you out also in order to upskill yourself, also giving you the wings to perform best that you can. Now the next question is from Sumadeep Khanna. When any switch company when anyone switch company, will they get their location preferences? So Subhadeep, I would like to tell you that yes, when you are going to switch your company, mostly you will get your location preferences, but sometimes the openings are for particular location only. So and that scenario you will be not getting the location preferences. They will be providing you a particular location and you have to serve initially from there. But yes, for some of the openings they are from pan India location, multiple location. So in that case it's manageable. You can see the scenario at that time. Next question is from Akash Kar. Actually, I am a mechanical engineering student in my 7th semester. I am from Kolkata and currently I am placed in Mindtree and Capgemini. On campus recruitment of both the packages 4. Can you suggest me what would be the better option considering the current state and inside both the companies like LTI merger of Mindtree? So यार बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन आपने पूछा आकाश कर. इस पे मैं शॉर्ट्स बनाने को भी सोचा हूँ, तो चलो शॉर्ट्स की एक थोड़ा सा ग्लिम्स यहाँ दे देता हूँ. बिरयानी और चिकन बिरयानी और चिकन पुलाव. What should I have it right now? The confusion is just like that. Mindtree or Capgemini, both have their own perks, both have their own means what you can say, own benefits, own means compensation is almost same. So it's the choice is like biryani or chicken pulao. There is no difference. Difference is just like that. Every means both have their own perks and benefits. Just like that, whichever the company you are joining have their own perks and benefits. Initially, all the things will be depending, I am repeating this sentence again, on the technology that you will be assigned to in the company. The technology that you will be getting, it will be totally not depending upon what company you are choosing. Actually, the technology, the project, the learning, the trainings that you will be getting. Right now, as per the 2022 market scenario, I would suggest you the one that will be giving you early offer letter, early engagement. I would suggest you go for that. I'm seeing the Mindtree condition right now. I would not suggest that. That is my personal opinion. It may be not like that in the next year, but yes, what Mindtree have done, none of the other company have done this year. Means the kind of horrible they have laid off 70-80% of the students from a batches. So from my personal opinion, what I will give you, this choice is really difficult. You have both the choices are common. Okay, just take it what you want. डू इट. जहां भूख लगा हो पहले वो खा लो. चिकन बिरयानी का वेट करो या फिर चिकन पुलाव, दोनों ही अच्छा है. अब आपकी चॉइस है कि आपको क्या करना है उस सिनेरियो में. इफ यू थिंक दैट यार कोई भी चलेगा, आई वुड सजेस्ट कोई भी डिसीजन आपका रॉन्ग नहीं होने वाला है. बोथ डिसीजन आर गुड, बट माय पर्सनल सजेशन विल बी जो अर्ली एंगेजमेंट दे, और हाँ अगर कैपजेमिनी दे तो उनमें चले जाओ. बस ये मेरा पर्सनल सजेशन है. रेस्ट depend upon you. If you want more information, you can get back to me on Instagram. We can clear in a much better way. Okay, but yes, that's my personal scenario suggestion in this. Now यार next question is, भाई बता दो जरा. Sorry अभिषेक, tomorrow Q&A. So I think you have asked regarding what is the package offered by Capgemini in KIIT. So basically, sorry, Capgemini not, KPMG and KIIT. So basically when KPMG visit KIIT, they offer a package of 5.56 LPA kind of stuff. Okay, in that 3-4 profile that they are openings. 6.5, 5.5 kind of stuff. One also KPMG Global comes with a package of 5, but I would suggest you, if you are getting that offer in 5 also, you can join, because they will be giving you an extremely good experience with a great hike within next 6 months to 1 year. Okay, I have seen people making 9.5 LPA just after 1 year of joining from KIIT. I know personally him. Okay, so that's my personal suggestion. You can join 5, 5.5, 6, 3 kind of the offering they will be offering. So choose it, and if you have no other option than that, you can join it. It's a good place to join. Sir, what about Wipro Elite May month interview result? Any update? See, Suhas Patil, if you are thinking that interview result is not yet updated to you, you can check back to your HR if it's kind of an off-campus, or your POC who were contacting you earlier. In case of in-campus, you can get connected to your colleges and they will be helping you out with the result. Maybe the reason is like that, the selection might not be there, that's why they haven't informed you. This may be the scenario. I hope all the things will be positive. You can get back to your HR. Also, if you think it is an in-campus, talk to your TPO, that is training and placement officer. What about Cognizant? Similarly, I would say for all the companies, similarly. What is the difference between Deloitte USA and Deloitte India? So यार एक शॉर्ट में बताता हूँ what is the difference between Deloitte USA and Deloitte India. Deloitte is a kind of an entity who has divided their businesses across the region. So basically in Deloitte USI, mostly the clients are from abroad, whereas in Deloitte India, mostly I am mentioning, okay, don't say यार इंडिया में मैं गया मेरे को तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया का क्लाइंट मिल गया. Mostly the client is from India. In the scenario, it's the scenario. In USI, the perks and benefits are little more than India, but yes, what you can see, it will be depending upon the project to project, client to client. So यार एक आउटलाइन मिल गया होगा क्या है, इस पर डिटेल वीडियो जरूर बनाऊंगा. आई होप बहुत सारा कमेंट बचा रह गया, बट आई थिंक वीडियो इज गेटिंग स्ट्रेच. So keep the video till here. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you think this video is little bit informative also, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friends. If you are IT guy in making this video, I am your friend here. I want to build up a community where we all can share our genuine experiences regarding college, campus reviews, campus placement experience and all. We all coming from across the India. We are coming from different colleges, different companies, different technology. We want to share over here. It will be a kind of an unprofessional platform where we will be sharing genuine experience in spite of the fear of CEOs and CFOs from your company. Like in LinkedIn, we cannot share the unrealistic fact or the fact that is not in the favor of company. But I want to create a platform where we all can share our genuine experiences, whether it's being in the favor of company, whether it's being not in the favor of company. Till then, I hope you guys get some of the add-ons from this video. If you think this video was good, यार सब्सक्राइब कर देना, लाइक कर देना. वीडियो बेकार लगाओ, डिसलाइक मारना, कमेंट में गालियां भर देना, क्योंकि यार मैं बना रहा हूं वीडियो कुछ मतलब कि कुछ इनपुट देने के लिए, कुछ एड-ऑन्स डालने के लिए. सो यार इतना सपोर्ट करना. विल मीट यू सून विद अ न्यू इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट.